Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here today. I am doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to review a product that was sent to me in the mail, and I am so excited to share it with you. I'm very excited to open it up and try it out. So I thought that we would just unbox it, open it up, look at all the things, and give it a good try out and see how we like this product. So Terelax was nice enough to send me this amazing foot and calf massager, and I'm so excited to try this out because I am on my feet a lot, a whole lot. Most of the time I probably get in around 5 to 6 miles a day because I'm on my feet so much. So this for me is going to be amazing. My husband is also on his feet quite a bit during the day. His job, he has to walk back and forth quite a bit between buildings. So I am excited for us to give this a try out. Before I open up this box, I just want to show you their website and what all they have to offer. They have so many neat things. They have a 15-day no reason return policy. They have a warehouse in the US, and they have fast delivery. So y'all go check them out, and thank you so much, Terelax, for partnering with me today. I got my handy scissors, so we're gonna open this up. Super excited. And see what's inside. Okay. Right, so this is heavy. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside. And then it came with a remote, little remote, how cute, and a battery. Okay, if you register within 14 days, you get a year warranty, so that's awesome. And then the little instruction booklet. This is what it looks like outside the box. It has a power button, speed, custom setting, auto, all that kind of stuff. It looks like it has a place here for your heel to rest. So I'm very excited about that. It's a also for your calves. So we're gonna try it out sitting down, and then we're gonna try it out doing the calves. Also, I think this would be really good for your forearms. I have tendonitis from years and years of typing, so I'm gonna try this out on my forearms and see how it does on that also. Let me get it plugged in and we'll give it a go. Massager is that it is awesome. I have enjoyed this so much trying it out. I'm so excited to come home every evening and just put my feet in it. I could have went to sleep while it was massaging my feet. I really enjoyed the forearm massage. Like I said, I have quite a bit of tendonitis, so that felt so good to me to just be able to put my arms in there and just get a good massage. I really enjoyed that. I'll have the massager linked in the description box down below, and I will also have their website linked too. So make sure that you go in the description box and look around and go shopping on their website. They have all kinds of other things on their website, as I showed you earlier. So make sure that you go check that out and see if there's something that you might enjoy. Thank you so much, Terelax, for sending me this massager and for partnering with me today on this video. See y'all next time. Bye.